Let's understand the Leetcode problem 20, valid parentheses. We will discuss here two approaches. First approach is brute force approach and second approach is optimal approach. So we will first understand the approach and then we will code. So let's get started. Let's understand the problem. This is an easy level problem. Given a string s containing just the characters, curly bracket, and these all other types of bracket, determine if the input string is valid. Okay, here given a condition that it is valid if open bracket must be closed by the same type of bracket. Open bracket must be closed in the correct order. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket for the same type. Okay, so here given example that input s is this much, it is complete pair, so we return true. This is also complete pair, so we return true, and this is not complete pair because here is opening bracket but it does not have any closing bracket, and this has closing bracket but it does not have any opening bracket. Okay, so we return false. Okay, and it can be in one another also. Okay, as it shows here, but at the starting there should be not closing, and after closing it should be not open. Okay, so let's understand the approach and the code on the paper pen. Okay, let's understand the problem. The problem says that this is an string. It contains an parenthesis, opening and closing. Okay, so here are curly bracket, square bracket, and rounded bracket. Okay, these all have pairs completed. Okay, so we return true. Okay, if it is not completed pair means there is opening bracket, there is no closing bracket. If there is closed bracket and there is no opening bracket, then we have to return false. Okay, here are two approaches. In first approach we will use while loop. Okay, and second approach is stack, but I will not teach you the stack approach. It will be covered on next sessions, which I have given on roadmap, DSA roadmap, that first is array, then second is string, then third is stack, then queue. Okay, I have given the roadmap and full plan of 100 days of code on my another video of DSA roadmap. I will provide you the I button link. Okay, and I am also provided into description link. From there you can refer that 100 days of code roadmap and DSA roadmap. So stack method we will see in the stack portion. Now we will see the simple approach, which is while loop approach. Okay, so here is this string. So approach is very simple, that we will remove these pairs. Okay, we will remove this pair first, secondly this pair, and thirdly this pair. Okay, if the string remains empty, then we will return true. Okay, we will put conditions such that this will be not executed, means only opening bracket, there is no closing bracket. Okay, so this will return false. Okay, so code is very simple. Here we have to put the while loop. While s dot contains, means that string contains this pair, or s dot contains this pair, or s dot contains, this string contains the curly brackets. If this contains this all, then we will replace, means yes, original s will be replaced by this. Okay, replace this by this, means empty, we have to make empty. Okay, and we have to not go there. We will write this, replace square bracket with empty, and then again we will write replace curly bracket with an empty. Okay, now the while loop will end. If it does not contain like this pair, then it will be return false. Okay, so here we will write return s dot is empty. Okay, so if s dot is empty, then we have to return the false, and it is not empty, then it will return false. If it is empty, it will return true, and if it is not empty, then it will return false. Okay, so I will again explain this while typing the code, and let's see on Leetcode. Let's understand the code. Okay, so first we will take while s dot contains this rounded bracket, or s dot contains these square brackets. Okay, okay, or s dot contains these curly brackets. Okay, so the while loop will be ran. Okay, then we will replace it by empty. Okay, if it has completed pair, completed pair, completed pair, then it will be replaced by empty, means it will be removed from the string. Okay, so s dot replace what we have to replace. Okay, so we have to replace at the first condition, sorry, this, okay, by this empty. Okay, so here is okay, then we will again take the dot replace square bracket by empty. Okay, so again we will here replace the curly bracket by empty. Okay, so we will use here colon, semicolon, and then we will simply return s dot is is empty. If it is empty, then it will be return true, and if it is not empty, then it will return false. Okay, so let's run the code. So here contains, okay, once again run the code. Okay, you can see here our all test cases are run successfully and accepted our solution. Let's submit the code. This was our day 12 of 100 days of code. From today we are starting string problems. Okay, till now 11 days we completed our array portion, which we covered the easy to medium and medium to hard level problems. Okay, at the last 10 days I will take bonus problems also on mixed, means mixed topics. Okay, now we are going level wise. First array, now we are starting string, and at the next time we will start the stack portion. Okay, so this was our day 12 of 100 days of code DSA challenge. If you want a DSA roadmap and a full overview of 100 days of code, then you can refer my video DSA roadmap, which I have given in I button also and description also. So you can see here our code is submitted successfully, and 5.73% bits are also we gained. Okay, and if you want this Java code also, this code is also uploaded on my GitHub account, and that link is given in description. You can find Java link also and C++ link also. By both languages I have solved this problem. Okay, so you can see that code in my description. Okay, okay guys, if you liked my this approach and liked my teaching, then please subscribe and please like my video. Thank you guys.